I'm on my way down here to Hollywood, Florida to get the SMP by 𝗕𝗏 who's the #1 SMP scalp micropigmentation guy in the world. I'm tired of my unit itching. I'm tired of babysitting it. I'm tired of scratching it. When I work out, it starts stinking and smelling like an old pair of dirty drawers. And I'm tired of you women not wanting to date me because I wear a unit. Ladies, you can wear a unit. Everything on you is fake, from your unit, your lashes, your eyebrows, your boobs, your butt. Everything on you is fake, but yet I can't wear a simple unit. You want to talk about me wearing a unit? I'm getting the SMP.
Zero on top.